Financial freedom starts here. Welcome to Wealth Whiz Network, powered by Financial Empowerment Consulting. Hi, I'm your instructor, Mark. This video is about how to build business credit. If you're ready to stop using your personal credit for business and ready to build true financial independence, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to build business credit fast in 2025, step by step. Now remember, if at any time you need assistance, you can always contact the team at Financial Empowerment Consulting to guide you through. They are available to meet your needs. The contact information is in the bio. Let's get started. What is business credit? Business credit is your company's financial reputation. It shows how well your business handles money, pays its bills, and manages debt. Just like your personal credit score represents you, your business credit score represents your company. It's based on your payment history with vendors and lenders, your credit utilization, how much of your limits you use, the age of your accounts, and your business profile consistency. If you have good personal credit above 680, you can leverage your personal credit to speed up your business credit growth. You can leverage your personal credit to get faster approvals and higher limits for your business. This means banks trust you enough to offer funding using a personal guarantee, also called a PG. Your good history backs your business. How a PG works: when you apply for a business credit card or loan that requires a PG, the lender checks your personal credit, usually Experian or TransUnion. You personally sign an agreement saying you'll repay if the business doesn't. If your business misses payments, the lender can report it to your personal credit, send it to collections, or sue you personally for the debt. Think of it as you co-signing for your own business. Use your strong personal score to qualify for business cards with high limits. Examples: Chase Inc. Business Preferred, Amex Blue Business Plus, and Bank of America Business. If you have bad or limited personal credit, anything below a 640, you'll focus on non-PGing, no personal guarantee vendors, and secured options that report to business credit bureaus. You'll need to build your business credit separately without relying on your personal score. That's done through net 30 vendor accounts, secured business cards, and consistent on-time payments that report to business credit bureaus that are Dun & Bradstreet, Experian Business, Equifax Business. Over time, your business credit becomes strong enough that you can qualify for loans and cards under your EIN only. No PG required. So, if you're ready to dive in, let's get started. Step 1. Build your business foundation. Before you can get business credit, your company needs to exist on paper as a legitimate entity. That means forming an LLC or corporation, getting your EIN number from the IRS, setting up a professional business address, having a business phone number, business email, and website, and opening a business checking account. Everything must match across all documents: your business name, address, and contact info. Consistency builds credibility. Step 2. Get your DUNS number from Dun & Bradstreet. This is your business's credit ID number, just like a social security number for your company. Go to dnb.com and apply for free. Once approved, you'll begin creating your business credit profile, where your trade lines and payment history will be recorded. Step 3. Start building with net 30 vendor accounts. These vendors give you 30 days to pay an invoice and then report your payments to the credit bureaus. Start with 3 to 5 beginner vendors such as Uline. Uline reports to Dun & Bradstreet and Experian Business. Quill reports to Dun & Bradstreet and Experian Business. Granger only reports to Dun & Bradstreet. If your goal is to build across multiple bureaus, D&B, Experian Business, Equifax Business, you'll want vendors that cover each. Nav gives you a free account to monitor your business credit scores, including from Dun & Bradstreet and Experian. It helps you see what lenders see, with insights into your business credit health and matching you to financing options. Paid Nav plans give more features: full reports, alerts, trade line building. Use Nav to monitor your business credit scores from D&B and Experian. This helps you see how net 30 vendor payments, secured cards, Etsy are impacting your profile. Crown Office supplies they report to Dun & Bradstreet, D&B, Experian Business, and Equifax Business. Lastly, CEO Creative is a good one. You can order custom merch with your logo from them, and they report to Dun & Bradstreet, D&B, Experian Business, and Equifax Business. Buy small items, pay the balance early, and within 60 to 90 days, your business credit profile will begin showing payment history. Step 4. Once you have 3 or more vendor accounts reporting, it's time to apply for business credit cards. This step moves you from vendor-based credit to financial institution credit. Start with secured business credit cards that grow into unsecured lines later. Valley Bank offers a secured business card. Credit limits $1,000, $25,000, Valley Bank reports to Experian Business, Equifax Business, and Dun & Bradstreet. They will convert from secured to unsecured credit once you establish good pay history. Penn Fed Credit Union offers both personal and business secured cards, excellent for building a dual credit profile if you're rebuilding. Other banks to consider opening secured business credit cards are Bank of America Secured Credit Card will do a personal credit check, have at least a 520 credit score minimum, $1,000 security deposit. Community Bank Secured MasterCard Credit Check reports to Experian. Deposits between $2,000 $10,000. If you have low personal credit, I recommend the Hello Alice Small Business Secured MasterCard. Minimum $500 security deposit. They will do a hard inquiry and a personal guarantee is required. But that is because they report to your personal and business credit reports to help you build credit. Building business credit isn't just about getting loans. It's about creating financial freedom, protection, and legacy. Whether your personal credit is excellent or needs work, you can build a solid foundation for your business by following the right steps, starting small, paying on time, and staying consistent. Remember, your goal is to move from using a personal guarantee to building true business credit under your EIN only, where your business stands on its own. Stay disciplined, stay strategic, and stay empowered. Here at Wealth Whiz Network, we believe financial freedom starts with knowledge, and you're one step closer to it. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive even deeper into building wealth the smart way. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to the channel to be notified of new videos.